Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by picking a reputable VPN app that supports iPhone and iOS 15 or newer. Choose providers that list fast servers and clear privacy policies. Open the App Store and install the VPN app, then create an account or sign in. Grant the app permission to add VPN configurations when prompted by iOS. Enable any trial or subscription that fits your needs and budget. Check that the VPN lists the country server you require for Capcut access. Keep the app updated to maintain compatibility and security. Open the VPN app and sign in, then select a server in the target country. Prefer servers with low ping and high speed for smooth Capcut uploads. Enable the VPN connection by tapping the app's Connect toggle before launching Capcut. If the VPN app offers a kill switch or always-on VPN, enable that feature now. This prevents Capcut traffic from leaking if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly. After the VPN indicates a secure connection, open Capcut and test video upload or browsing. If geo-restrictions remain, try a nearby server in the same country. Verify the VPN status in Settings, then confirm the active configuration for iPhone. If Capcut upload or access fails, disconnect and try a different nearby server. Disable any content blockers or strict firewalls temporarily and retest Capcut functions after reconnecting. Clear Capcut cache or reinstall the app if persistent issues continue. For privacy, use minimal app permissions inside Capcut and avoid sharing sensitive data. Sign out of accounts when finished and revoke VPN access if you uninstall the app. Regularly update both iOS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.